Good morning, everyone. It is Julie here with your Monday morning stock market news, where we're getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a great weekend and are possibly still enjoying a long weekend. I know I got to take in some great fireworks for Canada Day, which is a really nice night. Now, the market, of course, is open today, but we'll be closing 3 hours early, and tomorrow will be closed for July 4th. So a big thank you to anybody that's actually watching today and making me feel like it was worthwhile waking up so early. I appreciate you being here. This morning, we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news. No real earnings reports on the calendar till later this week, but we will see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. And if you want to unlock some great research tools, TipRanks is in the final days of their amazing sale where you can get 40% off premium subscriptions and then 50% off any of their newsletters. So you can follow the links in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are starting our short week off with U.S. stock futures slightly in the red. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.23%, S&P 500 futures down 0.12%, and NASDAQ futures fairly flat, down 0.01%. Shares of Tesla are on the rise after they topped estimates with their Q2 deliveries. For their second quarter, Tesla announced deliveries of just over 466,000 units. That was a record for the company and about 4 to 5% higher than Wall Street was looking for. This was their biggest quarterly delivery beat since the fourth quarter of 2021. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives said that price cuts implemented early in the year have paid major dividends for Tesla as demand appears to remain very strong and production efficiencies have allowed for the massive quarterly deliveries beat. Of course, Tesla always divides analysts, currently coming in with a moderate buy and a price target that would be a downside of 15%. Apple is scaling back the production plans of its Vision Pro as manufacturers work to get a grasp of the headset's design. In a report from the Financial Times citing sources close to the companies, Apple is planning to make fewer than 400,000 units in 2024. They say that the complex design and difficulties in manufacturing are behind the forecast cut, while the plans for a more affordable version of the headset have had to be pushed back. The Apple stock is currently rated a strong buy among analysts overall, with a fairly flat average price target and a couple holds coming in this past week. General Motors continues to advance their electric efforts as they recently acquired Israel-based battery software company Algolion. The acquisition was led by GM's unit of technology acceleration and commercialization and was for an undisclosed amount. The move aims to leverage Algolion's technology in detecting early defects in batteries and will help GM bring to market a cost-effective early hazard detection system at a quicker pace. The GM stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 21%. And we also have electric vehicle deliveries from China's three big companies with Li Auto, NIO, and XPeng. Starting off with Li Auto, they had a record for the company, for the first time exceeding 30,000 deliveries with 32,575. That was also up 150% year over year. NIO, on the other hand, delivered 10,707 units in June, which was down about 17% from June of 2022. And XPeng also declined, delivering 8,620 units in June, which was down 44% year over year. As I said before, nothing on the earnings calendar this morning, so let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Alvotech. Their stock is rebounding after a big drop last week following an FDA setback. Trading under the ticker ALVO, their stock is currently up 19.5%, followed by Livewire Group under LVWR up 14.5%, and Fidelity National under FIS up 8.9%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Laboratory Corporation of America after they announced the spinoff of Fortrea. Trading under the ticker LH, their stock is down 13.5%, followed by AstraZeneca under AZN down 6.8%, and Ralph Lauren under RL down 5%. So that is going to be everything for Monday morning's stock market news. If you made it to the end of today's video, hit that thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. Please play it safe with those fireworks tomorrow for July 4th. Have a great time, and I'll see you back here on Wednesday for our next pre-market show. Thanks for watching.